Hi dear children, today we are going to discuss about the polynomial second part. In this part we are going to find the factorization of a quadratic polynomial and how to draw the graph of a quadratic polynomial. Now let us find the zero of quadratic polynomial with an example. See, observe carefully. 2x square minus 13x plus 20 equal to 0. We should compare with the equation ax square plus bx plus c. Then a is equals to 2, b is equal to 13, c is equals to 20, is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 13, c equals to 20. Remember, the product is equals to a into c. What is the value of a? 2. And what is the value of c? 20. 2 into 20 is 40. Now we have to factorize 40. 2 into 20, 8 into 5 and 4 into 10. Now, which factors are useful for us? To write the sum or the difference of two factors is equals to b. In this, 8 and 5 are only useful. 8, 5. Minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13. So, these two factors are useful. The remaining two are not useful for us in factorizing quadratic polynomial. Now, observe carefully, my dear children, how I am doing on the screen. 2x square, first term as it is, it was written. Third term is also as it is, it was written as 20 and sine 20 and equal to 0. Entire equation is written as it is, but in the middle, x coefficient is written as the sum or difference of two factors which we have factorized, 40. Now, 13, in the place of 13, I am writing it as minus 8x minus 5x. Now, I am rearranging the terms for your convenience sake. 2x square can be written as 2x into x, minus 8 can be written as 4 into 2, and minus 5x, and plus as minus into minus 5, 4 equal to 0. Why? Because minus 5 it is to be taken common. So, here in these two, 2x is the common term, and then I am taking common. The remaining terms are x minus 4. And now, in the remaining two terms, what is the common term? Minus 5. In this term also minus 5 is there. So, I am taking common. And then what are the remaining terms? X minus 4. Yes, x minus 4 equal to 0. And then again, observe carefully, x minus 4 is again common in both terms. So, keep aside x minus 4. And what are the remaining terms? 2x and minus 5. 2x minus 5 equals to 0. If a into b equal to 0, either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0, we know. So, x minus 4 equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0 plus 4, that is equal to x is equals to 4. And then 2x minus 5 equal to 0, 2x is equals to 5 and x is equals to 5 by 2. Note down these problems and solve yourself. If you feel tough, ask your class teacher for your help. Find the zeros of x square minus 9x plus 20 equal to 0, 2x square minus 7x minus 15 equal to 0, and 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0, 3x square minus 4x minus 20 equal to 0. Using factorization method as we have learnt above. Every quadratic polynomial will have at most two zeros. Now, graphical representation of a polynomial y is equals to px is equals to x square minus 3x minus 4. Observe carefully on the screen, my dear children. I got these are ordered pairs. How? Let us observe carefully how we got above ordered pairs. I've taken x is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 1, minus 3, minus. Observe carefully how we have to get ordered pairs. X, the given equation y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4 and substitute the value of x every time and we will get ordered pair x comma y. I am taking 4 now. I am writing as it is the equation. In this equation, wherever x is there, just you substitute 4. Y is equal to 4 square minus 3 into 4 minus 4. Then 16 minus 12 minus 4. The value is 0. Therefore, what is the x value? 4. 4 comma 0. is the ordered pair we obtain. Now take 3. Substitute x is equals to 3 now. Now same equation I am writing as it is and just put 3 in the place of x. Now y is equals to 3 square minus 3 into 3 minus 4, that is equals to 9, minus 9 minus 4, that is minus 4. Now what is the ordered pair here? X value is 3, y value is 4, minus 4. 3 comma minus 4 is its ordered pair. Now take 2. Again same equation. Here substitute x is 2. 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 4, that is 4 minus 6 minus 4. 4 will be gets cancelled and minus 6 will be its answer. Therefore the ordered pair is 2 comma minus 6. Now I am taking 1. Again and again I am taking the same equation. Y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Substitute x value in that equation. Y is equal to 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 4 equal to 1 minus 3 minus 4, that is equals to minus 6. That is 1 comma minus 6. Now again I am taking the same equation and I am substituting now negative values. I am taking 0, substitute 0 in the place of x. Now we will get value of y. Y is equals to 0 square minus 3 into 0 minus 4, that is 0, 0 and minus 4, that is minus 4. 0 comma minus 4 is ordered pair. Now take minus 1. Again y is equals to minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4 equal to 1 and plus 3 minus 4 equal to 0, that is minus 1 comma 0 is its ordered pair. Now minus 2. Take the same equation and substitute minus 2 in the place of x. Minus 2 whole square minus 3 into minus 2 minus 4, that is 4 plus 6 minus 4, that is 6 and minus 2 comma 6. And now last value minus 3. Y is equals to x square minus 3x minus 4. In the place of x, substitute minus 3. Minus 3 whole square minus 3 of minus 3 minus 4, that is 9 plus 9 minus 4, that is 14. And minus 3 comma 14 is its ordered pair. Now rearranging all the terms in the tabular form. Now we have taken all the negative values from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and whatever values we get in the back slide, we are just written there. Now we have to plot the ordered pairs on the graph. Then we obtain zeros of the polynomial. Now observe carefully on the screen. Minus 3 comma 14 y values are not there on the graph sheet, so I am leaving that, and minus 2 comma 6. Yes, that is minus 2 comma 6, minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 4 and 1 comma minus 6. Next is 2 comma minus 6 and 3 comma minus 4 and 4 comma 0. We don't have any ordered pair, so join from the first point to second, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to fifth, fifth to seventh, sixth to seventh. In a sequential order we have to draw with a smooth curve. We get a parabola. Where it cuts the x-axis, it cuts minus 1 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. Hence, zeros of this polynomial minus 1 comma 4. Try on yourself, draw the graphs of the following quadratic polynomials. 1, x square minus 5x plus 6, x square minus 7x plus 12, x square minus x minus 12, x square plus 3x minus 4. Now, quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, comma, graph is the parabola and its nature on the graph sheet. See, observe figure 1, figure 2. A and A dash. And here this parabola also intersects the x-axis at two places, A comma A dash. Here the graph cuts x-axis on two distinct points A and A dash. In this case, x coordinates of A and A dash are the two zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. The parabola can open upward or downwards. Now again observe two graph sheets. This parabola intersects x-axis at one point only. Here the graph cuts x-axis at only one point at A. In this case, x coordinates of A is the 0 of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. The parabola can open upward or downward. Now observe one more set of two parabolas. Yes, here the graph either completely above axis or below the x-axis. It does not cut the x-axis at any point. Hence, the polynomial x square plus bx plus c do not have 0. Now, cubic polynomial graph. Here x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 10. Observe, my dear children, carefully on the screen. Yes, it intersects the x-axis at 3 points. Every cubic polynomial will have at most 3 zeros. Thank you.